I was lucky enough to receive a bag of broken and partial pieces from the Woodubend brand company. This was the entire idea that I used for the piece. I wanted to highlight the broken bits and pieces along with the Woodubend gears that you can order from the Dixie Belle Paint page. Woodubend moldings are bendable, stainable moldings. You can paint directly over top of the pieces. Woodubend moldings are very easy to apply. You heat the piece of molding with a heat gun or hairdryer. You apply the glue to the back of the piece, then apply it to your furniture, heating again to ensure that it's flat to the piece. As soon as it's dry, you're ready for paint. Let's paint a black wash onto this old trunk. You apply your paint, spray it, and wipe it back, leaving some of the wood grain to peek through the piece. Painting a black wash is something that I do often on old, absorbent wood. It's a great way to highlight the detail and still show the wood that's underneath the piece. It adds character and originality to the furniture. When wiping back, you control the amount of paint that you leave on your piece. You can build it up into really amazing layers. The Patina paint line from Dixie Belle is an amazing way to add a faux finish to any piece of furniture or art. You need to shake your cans very well before use, apply to the item, and then spray well wet to achieve an activation and chemical process. Dixie Belle's Patina line is an amazing way to add an authentic rusty look to any piece. You can do this with 3 colors: iron, copper, and bronze. You also have 2 sprays that you can use to activate the process, green and blue. I wanted to achieve a normal, natural look on the chest. I applied the Patina products in areas where I felt that it would normally drip down naturally on an old chest or trunk, or even using an old door for inspiration. It's an amazing way to add texture, color, and authentic rust to your piece. This chemical reaction can take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours to achieve a full effect. You can also keep adding the Patina paint and build your layers. Dixie Belle's Gilding Wax is an oil-based product. You can use this last on your project to highlight and shine any raised areas.